In today's video, we will focus on fleet setup in Leon software. In the fleet section, we can enhance the profile of each aircraft in our fleet with detailed information. By clicking the edit icon for the aircraft, we are taken to a page where we have access to 6 configuration tabs: Basic, Ops, Sales, Crew, Performance, and System. In the Basic tab, we can enter essential data such as the aircraft type, registration, and its base. Additionally, we can define default units for weight and fuel, as well as maximum takeoff weight. In this tab, we also have the option to mark the aircraft as not used or deleted if it is no longer part of our fleet. In the Ops section, besides the option to define the aircraft color for use in the Ops table view, we can set the default ICAO flight type and trip type. Completing the fields for ICAO noise category, rescue, and firefighting category, and minimum runway length allows the system to verify these values at planned airports and generate warnings if they are insufficient. Configuring the default flight number and tracking in Eurocontrol will streamline the process of adding flights and monitoring the aircraft status. Information from the Sales tab will expedite flight quoting and can be displayed on documents sent to clients during flight sales. Here, we will not only include details about the aircraft's equipment and photos, but we can also assign specific pricing tables, quoting methods, and sales document templates for a particular aircraft. In the Crew tab, we can set minimum cockpit, cabin, and maintenance crew requirements, which will be considered in crew completeness and augmented crew calculations. We can also assign preferred crew members and define different default positions than those set in the aircraft crew positions section for that aircraft type. Settings in the Performance section impact flight time calculations in both Sales and Ops, and will generate warnings if an excessively high flight level is entered in the journey log or if the aircraft's maximum range is exceeded. Finally, in the last tab, System, we can assign default rules for movement messages. All fleet settings will significantly enhance the quality of work across various modules, making this a crucial element of system configuration.